Have you ever thought that some people sit in front of the screen all day? Dozens of trades. However, by evening, his account was in the red. And on the other hand, there are some traders who take only one trade after the market opens. Turn off the laptop and take advantage of the day to live your life comfortably. The question is not music how much they earned. The real question is what did they understand that most people have not been able to understand until today? Today, I am not going to tell you any magic strategy. I'm not even going to give you a secret indicator. Because the truth is that the indicator can show you the entry, but not profiteering. Profit is always decided by your psychology, and this is where almost every intraday trader loses. I want you to watch this video until the end, because maybe after today, your whole way of trading will change music, and if you adopt this one thought, then maybe you will not need to take 10 trades to make a profit every day. A few years ago, I made the same mistake you are making today. As soon as the market opened, it seemed that if I didn't catch every move, I would be left behind. A candle music went up. I think I should get in now. The other one came down. I think it should be sold now. Exit in the third, back into the fourth. I was exhausted by the end of the day. But there is no money in the account. There was only confusion. Gradually, I realized that the market was not giving me a chance to earn money every minute. I was putting pressure on myself. I started to think that a professional trader is the one who constantly buys and sells throughout the day. But the truth was quite the opposite. One day I pulled out all my old trades. I saw every entry, every exit, and every mistake. And then something happened that shook me to the core. About 80% of my entire month's profits came from just a few select trades. All the other trades had either reduced profits or increased losses. That's where my musical thinking started to change. I asked myself a question: if my earnings come from only a few select trades, why am I fighting the market the rest of the time? That's where I first realized that the real intraday game music wasn't about taking too many trades. The real game is in waiting for the right time. But here's the biggest problem: people can't wait. Our mind wants action. The candle flickers on the screen and our mind says do something. Say buy, sell, change music position, remove stop loss, increase target, do something. This restlessness empties the account. The market does not give you opportunities every minute, but your mind starts looking for opportunities every minute, and that is the biggest trap. Now imagine a professional sniper. Does he shoot at everything that moves? No, he waits for hours. Sometimes the whole day is just for one right moment, because he knows that one right shot is more valuable than 100 wrong shots. Even the professional intraday trader music thinks exactly the same. He doesn't get excited looking at the chart. He is a patient. He knows his job is not to control the music market. His job is to execute only when the right opportunity comes. This is where he separates himself from the crowd. Now I want to ask you one more question. If you know in advance that there is only one perfect trade in the market today, will you enter the first candle mute as soon as the market opens? Perhaps not. You'll wait. You will wait for the confirmation. You will see the volume. You will see the trend. You will see the risk and reward, and only then you will get entry. This thinking makes you a professional trader from an average trader. But what's the reality? We feel like money wouldn't be made today if this trade was missed. This fear is called fear of missing out. This fear makes the trader enter again and again, and this fear makes him lose again and again. The truth is that the most expensive thing in the market is not a wrong entry. The most expensive thing is to enter without reason. Remember, the market doesn't reward you just because you took the trade. The market rewards music when you have taken the right trade. The difference seems very small. Music, but the whole career builds and deteriorates on this difference. I wrote a rule in my trading journal. If I had to pick just one trade today, would I choose this trade? This one question stopped half of my wrong entries. Now that's what I used to ask myself every time before I hit the buy button. If there was no answer, I wouldn't take the trade. Gradually, I realized that my trading is changing. I was taking less trade. But my music quality was increasing. Stress was reduced. Screen time is reduced. And most importantly, I was getting better. This is the change that leads any trader to profit. But the most important thing remains: can one trade really make a whole day's profit? Is it just a matter of motivation? In the next section, I will tell you the same framework music that professional intraday traders open the market with in their mind. You'll know why they don't jump on the first candle, why do they wait for just one setup throughout the day, and how one high probability trade can make more money than many small trades. If you take this view, the overall market goes in the opposite direction. Stop loss is hit. Now there's anger inside of you. You think this loss has to be recovered now. That's where the revenge trading starts music, and that's where the whole day is wasted. Understand carefully, loss doesn't make you poor. Music revenge trading makes you poor. One wrong trade doesn't end your account, but the emotional decision taken after that wrong trade ends the same account. That's why the first goal of a professional trader is not profit. The first goal is emotional stability, because he knows that if his mind is calm, profit can be made again. But if the mind is broken, even the best strategy will be useless. I made a rule for myself. If a stop loss is hit in one trade, I won't immediately take another trade. I'll walk away from the chart for 5 minutes. I will drink water, take a deep breath, and ask myself just one question. Am I going to take the next trade because of my rules or because of my ego? This one question saved me hundreds of false trades. Because the truth is, the market doesn't care about your ego. The market doesn't care if you've just taken a loss or a profit. The market doesn't even care if you need money today. The market will just do what it has to do. So if you want to run the market as you want, you will be disappointed every day. But if you learn to adapt yourself according to the market, then gradually consistency will become a part of your life. Now consider another psychological trap. When a trader gets 2 consecutive profits, he starts to feel that he has now understood the market. It increases the position size, breaks the rules, the stop loss is eliminated, he feels that now can't be his fault. This is overconfidence, and in trading, overconfidence is as dangerous as fear. Fear gets you out early, greed makes you exit late, overconfidence forces you to break the rules, and revenge trading gives you the wrong entry again and again. The result is always the same: loss of capital. Remember, your biggest competitor in trading is not another trader. Your biggest competitor is the person you look at in the mirror every morning. If you win that, the market will slowly lose the power to beat you. Now, let me tell you a habit that changed my entire trading. After every trading day, I didn't just write profit or loss, and I wrote about my feelings. Was I scared when I entered? Am I leaving too soon? Am I breaking the rules? Did I take a trade in FOMO? Did I trade? Gradually, I began to understand that my biggest pattern was not on the chart, but in my mind. And the day I recognized my mental patterns, my financial results began to change. Remember, the chart is easy to read. It's hard to read your mind, but the trader who learns to read his mind gradually starts to read the market better. Now, coming back to the question with which we started this journey, is just one trade enough for intraday profits? If that trade has been taken without planning, then no. Not if it is taken in trade emotion, not if that trade is taken in FOMO, but if that trade is taken with a clear trend, strong confirmation, fixed risk, clear plan, and a calm mind, then many times the same one trade can give more profit than 10 wrong trades of the whole day. This is the real secret of professional trading. But the last and most important part remains. In the next part, I will tell you that complete daily framework, by adopting which you will sit in front of the market every morning like a professional. We'll talk about morning routines, one-trade music plans, capital protection, consistency, and the ultimate thinking that can turn you from a repeat trader into a disciplined music trader. And finally, I will tell you one thing that after understanding, you will probably never trade just to take action. If you have carefully listened to this whole journey from beginning to end, now I want you to close your eyes for a few seconds and remember your last 1 month of trading. Remember those days when you opened the market with great confidence in the morning. You thought that you would make a big profit today, but by the evening, not only had your money gone down, but your confidence was also broken. Now ask yourself a question. Did the market really take your money, or did you hand it over to your own restlessness, music, your own haste, and your own emotions? This is the question that makes the biggest difference between a beginner and a professional trader. The day you answer this question honestly, your real trading journey will begin. I have also seen a time when I thought every candle is an opportunity. Every breakup will give profits, and it is important to earn money every day. But gradually the market taught me a lesson that no book, no course, and no indicator could teach. The market taught me that the strongest trader is not the one who takes the most trades. The most powerful trader is the one who can't say it most often. No, it's not my setup. No, I will not be entering FOMO. No, I will not trade just because the market is running. And believe me, sometimes the biggest profit in trading is not made by pressing the buy button, but by not pressing the buy button. Now imagine two traders sitting in the same market. Both have the same chart in front of them. Both of them have almost the same style. They both have the same internet, the same broker, and the same price action. But at the end of the year, one trader is constantly in profit, and the other is constantly in loss. Why is that? Did the market side with one? Not at all. The only difference was that the first trader had trained his mind, while the other trader just kept changing his strategy. The first trader knew that saving capital is also part of making a profit. The other trader wanted to catch every move. The first trader believed in probability. On the second prediction music, the first trader used to make patience his strength. The other music trader had made action his habit, and trading always rewards the one who knows how to wait with discipline. Remember, the market will never tell you to enter now. The market will never tell you to stop now. You always have to make that decision. So the biggest strategy is not written on a chart, the biggest strategy is written in your character. If your character is strong, then even a simple strategy can give great results. But if your character is weak, even the best strategy in the world can't save you. Whenever you open the market after today, make just one promise to yourself. I'm not here to trade today, I just came here today to make the right decision. If I get the right setup, I will enter with full confidence. Music, if I don't get it, I won't do anything with full confidence because now I understand that discipline is also a position. Sitting on cash is also a decision, and many times the same decision saves the most money. Always keep in mind that your first goal should not be profit. Your first goal should be to avoid the wrong trade. Because when the wrong trades start decreasing, the right trades start appearing automatically. That's the mental shift where trading music doesn't remain a gamble but becomes a professional skill, and professional skills are never created in a hurry. It's made up of practice, music patience, journaling, admitting your mistakes, and wanting to be a little better every day. If there's one lesson you need to remember from today's whole thing, it should be this. The secret of profit in intraday is not to take more music trades, but to be a trader who needs only one right trade. Because when your quality increases, the quantity automatically decreases, and when the quantity decreases, the emotions are less. When emotions are low, mistakes are low, and when mistakes are low, profits slowly start becoming consistent. This is the cycle that makes an ordinary person a professional trader. Now I want to ask you one last question. The next time the market opens, the first candle will be lit. Will you run like a crowd without thinking, or will you sit like a professional and wait for that one opportunity which is really according to your rules? I don't have to answer this question. That's the answer you have to give in your next trading session, because your next trade will decide music whether you just listen to this video or actually learn something from it. If you have got a new idea about your trading from this video, then by commenting below, definitely tell what one habit you are going to change in your trading music after today. Subscribe to the channel and keep the notifications on if you want videos based on deep trading psychology, professional mindset, risk management, price action, and real trading truths. Our goal is not just to teach you how to trade, rather, you have to create a trader who understands every decision. Know how to protect your capital and make consistent wealth by ticking the market for a long time. Remember, the biggest win in the market is not a single big profit. The biggest victory is the day when your mind wins over your emotions. Because from the day you win yourself, the market gradually stops beating you. This is the true identity of a professional trader. That's the path to consistency, and maybe that music is the trade you've always been waiting for.